Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link PayPal to TikTok account. So we are going to head over our TikTok account in the mobile version, not the desktop version. And then you're going to head over your profile. So we are going to see, as you can see in here, the profile, click on it, and then you're going to see the creator tools, the balance, and the QR code, and etc. We're going to choose the balance. Then we're going to get the specific TikTok coins, the live rewards, and etc. So we're going to use whether the PayPal account or our PayPal account to collect the funds or the rewards or the money that we've got or we have earned from TikTok. So we are going to have here maybe some number of coins or the live reward amount in here. You're going to click on it, and from that you're going to see the live reward. For example, most of people will take here live rewards. So you're going to have here a balance, and that balance is going to be showing up in here. So you can go ahead and set up the number or the right amount that you want, and then you're going to click on withdraw. It is not going to show for me withdraw because I haven't any balance in here yet. So if you have some balance, you're going to have this specific screen. Normally, you're going to have here the minimum amount or the available balance set up. You can withdraw all or set up, for example, the payout method. You're going to click on here, and then you're going to have the choice to add, for example, PayPal. And depending on the region and the country that you have chosen, it is going to let you see here a lot of, let's say here, payment methods or payout methods. So most of the people are going to have PayPal included. So it is going to be very good. After you have installed or set up PayPal, you're going to see or connect it after you have set up the 2FA authentications and etc. You're going to see your account and the email address as a primary, as you can see, account. You're going to put here the amount, and then you're going to click on withdraw now. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.